Hi! In front of me is the DOOGEE S86 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions on this smartphone. First of all, just go into settings and scroll down. Now you need to select privacy section here and click on permission manager. After that, just select one of your device's features like location and pick one of your apps, like for example calendar. Then select one of those options for this app. Allow only while using the app or deny. I will go with allow, so now when I go back, as you can see, calendar just gained access to this device location if I'm using it. But you can always select one of your apps, just see all Chrome's permissions over here, and just manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!